Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, an up-to-date Mac and Safari, plus an Apple ID for App Store installs. Once done, open Safari and go straight to Safari right arrow settings, right arrow extensions to view built-in options. If you prefer App Store extensions, click the More Extensions link. That jumps you to the App Store page for Safari extensions. This start moves you from planning to action, so you can install or enable extensions without delays and control permissions from the outset. Next, install and configure. Find an extension in the App Store or use Safari's built-in list, then click Install or Enable. Make sure to review and grant only the permissions you need. Choose all sites, specific sites, or while visiting to limit access. After enabling, customize its behavior in extension settings. Move the icon into the toolbar, toggle specific features, and set per site rules so the extension runs where you want it. This control reduces privacy risk while ensuring functionality. To finish, update and tidy. Open the App Store's Updates tab regularly and remove unused extensions in Safari right arrow settings, right arrow extensions. If an extension misbehaves, restart Safari first, then confirm it has required permissions and isn't blocked by content blockers or privacy settings. If problems persist, disable and reinstall the extension or reset Safari's cache and history. You can also test in a private window to isolate conflicts. These steps recover functionality while keeping your browser secure and responsive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.